Hello, Wildcats, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Dining Services. In this episode, we will be making white chicken chili. This chili has two variations to finish. There is a broth version and a cream version. The amounts given and seen are different once again, as we made a large batch to freeze for use later this year. This recipe was brought in and prepared by our night head cook, Kim. To start, you will need to heat a medium to large pot on the stove with about a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add your medium diced onion and saute until lightly translucent. You will then add your chicken and garlic. Stir this occasionally and allow the chicken to cook, but not all the way through. Now we will add our spices and seasoning. 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper. I recommend using white pepper, but black pepper will work. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, more if you like the heat, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Stir together all of your newly added seasonings and spices and allow them to simmer for a few minutes. Now that the chicken has had a chance to absorb some of the seasonings, add 2 cans of chopped green chilies. You will need to drain and rinse the Great Northern beans before adding them to the dish. Once you have added them, stir everything together and allow to simmer for a few minutes. Now for the chicken broth. If you are using cubes of bouillon or chicken base, you will need about 1 3/4 cup of water. Stir once again and allow to simmer. Once your soup is hot, you can go ahead and serve it just like this. We stopped here so that we could freeze it, as cream soups do not freeze as well as broth soups. If you would like to make this a cream soup, then add 1 cup of sour cream and a half a cup of heavy whipping cream and heat until it is hot again. Then serve. Toppings and sides for this soup are tortilla chips, shredded cheese, and sliced jalapenos. We hope you have enjoyed another video from Dining Services. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, stay safe and have fun in the kitchen.